Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen, where today I'm going to show you the first thing I ever cooked on my Traeger smoker. Chicken drums. This is a super easy recipe and probably why I started with it in the first place. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. We've got our chicken drums and we are gonna rub them with our favorite chicken rub seasoning. Whatever your favorite is, the only thing that I'm gonna tell you is watch the salt content. You don't wanna have too much salt in that rub because you don't wanna take all of that flavor away from the smoke in the chicken. We are going to warm up our Traeger smoker to 180 degrees and I'm gonna be using just simple competition style pellets for this smoke. Once you have your chicken drums all seasoned up, we're gonna put them in the smoker for 2 hours at 180 degrees, and we're gonna close it up, and we're not gonna touch it or look at it. After 2 hours of smoking your chicken drums, I'm gonna go ahead and open that up, move those chicken drums around and flip them, because now what I wanna do is brush them with my favorite barbecue sauce. You pick whatever you like. Then we're gonna crank up the heat to 325 degrees just for the last 10-12 minutes of cooking, because you're gonna see what happens to them once we finish. Thank you so much for checking out another Silly Kitchen video. This time we're cooking outside, we're smoking meat, and I hope you stay on this journey with me because I'm gonna share more recipes. So subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you next time.